If you've ever watched the footage of the 1988 Winter Olympics, you'll probably remember that moment. The Jamaican bobsled team speeding down the track and then suddenly flipped on its side, metal and fiberglass screeching against the ice as we slid to a stop. What you didn't see was what went through my mind in that moment. I mean, here we were, four guys who had defied every odd just to be at the Olympics. We had trained relentlessly, faced skepticism, and overcame obstacle after obstacle. And now, we're lying on the ice. Our Olympic dream quite literally crashed in front of the world. The easy thing would have been to stay down, to give in to the embarrassment, to let the failure define us. But that's not who we were. Instead, we did the only thing we could do. We got up, we picked up our sled, and we walked it across the finish line. And in that moment, something shifted. We realized that the measure of success isn't whether or not you fail or you fall, because we all do, is whether or not you get back up. That crash could have ended our story, but instead, it became the very moment that defined us. We didn't win a medal, but we won something far more important. We won respect, resilience, and the understanding that failure is never final unless you quit. And isn't that the reality in business though? Every company, every leader, every team faces setbacks, market crashes, launches fail, opportunities are missed. But the ones that thrive are the ones that refuse to stay down. The real champions aren't the ones who never fall. They are the ones who get back up, learn from the experience, and keep moving forward. So the next time you face a setback, whether it's in business or in life, remember this: you have two choices. Stay down or keep on pushing. And the way I see it, there's only really one choice. Keep on pushing.